Today, we're testing our single shaft shredder with one of the toughest types of plastic waste, plastic lumps, also known as machine heads. These thick, irregular chunks are a common byproduct in the plastic manufacturing process, especially from extrusion and injection molding lines. They're bulky, dense, and hard to handle using conventional crushers. That's where our single shaft shredder comes in. With its powerful motor, strong torque, and optimized rotor design, it easily tears through these rigid lumps, delivering consistent output with minimal dust. The screen beneath ensures a uniform size, which makes downstream processing more efficient, whether you're washing, granulating, or selling the material. This kind of machine is perfect for recyclers and plastic manufacturers who are dealing with production waste and need a durable, low-maintenance solution. If you're in the plastics recycling industry and looking for the right machine to process lumps, purgings, or thick plastic scrap, this shredder might just be the perfect fit. Feel free to reach out to us for more details or a custom solution for your recycling needs.